Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Coinbase account under 18. It's important to know that Coinbase, like most major cryptocurrency exchanges, requires users to be at least 18 years old to open an account. This age limit is in place due to legal and regulatory requirements, which aim to protect both the platform and its users from potential financial risks. You will need to verify your identity with a government-issued ID. The age restriction on platforms like Coinbase is not arbitrary. It's primarily due to financial regulations that prevent minors from entering into binding contracts. Cryptocurrency trading carries inherent risks, and these rules ensure that users have the legal capacity and understanding to engage in such activities. The identity verification process is crucial for confirming that all users meet the minimum age requirement, safeguarding against fraud and misuse. While you cannot open an account yourself if you are under 18, there are still ways to participate. A parent or legal guardian can open and manage a Coinbase account on your behalf. Some platforms also offer custodial accounts, allowing an adult to oversee investments for a minor. It's a great opportunity to learn about cryptocurrency with adult supervision, ensuring a safe and educational experience. Once you turn 18, opening a Coinbase account is a straightforward process. You will need a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport, for identity verification. You'll provide your personal details, including your full name and address, and then link a bank account or debit card to fund your account. Completing these steps will allow you to begin buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.